What's up, guys? This is Fallout X Maniac here to bring you another unique weapons. This is the weapon YCS/186. It's a rare guass rifle, and I didn't really mean to pick it up. And I was just looting a body, and I said take all, and I didn't know that was the body that had it. I mean, I should have realized it was just because he was wearing this armor that I'm wearing. But, anyway. This guass rifle, it doesn't even have a specific location, but if you find whatever this is, the farmstead, Horowitz farmstead, I guess. Then just go directly north and you'll find it. Right here. Like, right on the edge. You can't go any further than it. Like, I think maybe if you had one of those glitches that can make you jump over high things, but there's also like a little shield here. Because, see, I'm not even touching the rock. So, but anyway, it just... Really, I don't know the difference. I've never actually found this until now, and I don't have a guass rifle to compare it to. So, yeah. But this, all I know about this that's different is that it uses one less microfusion shell. Oh my gosh, I can't say that. Fusion cell. I keep saying shell because I'm used to shotguns in this game. Than the guass rifle. And you may think, that's not that much. It is. Trust me, it is. I haven't used it until now, but I know this is really good. The reason why it's so shaky right now, hold on, let me adjust this, is because my energy weapons skill is really low. 13. I'm going on my explosives loadout. So... the hell, was I just floating in mid-air? Yeah, I'm floating in mid-air. Nice. Oh yeah, by the way, if you weren't, I realized I didn't say what this is. This is Fallout X Maniac's unique weapons. You can probably tell just because... you know, this is a unique weapon. You really don't put unique weapons on your glitch. You know, unless you want to duplicate it. Oh yeah, and someone, please direct me to a video to where you can actually duplicate stuff in this game. Because I've seen people use glitches to duplicate like a rare weapon. I'm trying to duplicate mini nukes. That's all I'm trying to duplicate at the moment is mini nukes. That way I can actually use the Fat Man throughout the entire game. Why am I walking so slow? But anyway, it's over there, over here. Yeah, that doesn't really show you, but right there. And this is Fallout X Maniac, signing off.